this. First, you have to open Internet Explorer and then type in address. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas.subtonic.com and click download it. I will write the link in description. Thanks you for watching this video.